In today's video, we will learn to create this glass hover effect with real-time interactivity all in Spline. So Spline is basically a free 3D design software with real-time collaboration to create web design interactive experiences in the browser. So let's start with a new project in Spline. Create a rectangle and adjust its size. Let's take 1280 by 720 pixels. Change its fill color to black. Now put your text. Then we will create the main glass object. So for that we need to add a shape. I'm taking a square and let's rotate it like this. So if you check on the properties, you can also adjust the corner radius. Now reduce the opacity to 0 to make our text visible. Now click on the plus icon in the states and select base state. Then click on the events and here you have to change the start to follow. So this will follow the cursor and rest are the default settings. Then head over to effects tab and create 3 effects using the plus icon. So first effect we need is the liquid glass effect. Then we need a drop shadow and an inner shadow. Here in liquid glass, click on this icon and now we are going to adjust these settings. Set the blur amount to 2. Aberration let's make it to 50. Magnification to 100. Depth around 35 and set distortion level to 12. And of course you can adjust the offset. Later you can adjust the drop shadow and inner shadow as well. This was the quick tutorial and I hope you found this useful, and if you would like to see more tutorial like this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.